Hey, it's Tekzoid. If you're a T-Mobile customer, you might have heard about an app called Scam Shield, or maybe you've just had one too many urgent calls about your non-existent car warranty. Let's break it down: what it does, what's free, and whether it's worth using. What is T-Mobile Scam Shield? T-Mobile Scam Shield is a security app built to protect you from scam calls, robocalls, and unwanted callers. It works silently in the background, sort of like a digital bouncer for your phone. It helps you stay in control of your calls, filters out the garbage, and lets you focus on the important stuff, like actual humans you want to hear from. What does Scam Shield do? With Scam Shield, you get Scam ID. Suspicious calls are labeled scam likely before you pick up. Scam Block. You can block scam calls from ever reaching your phone. Caller ID. You'll see names and businesses, even if they're not saved in your contacts. Spam Reporting. You can report unwanted numbers to help others stay protected. Is T-Mobile Scam Shield free? Yes, Scam Shield is free for all T-Mobile postpaid users. You don't have to pay anything to access the core features like Scam ID, Scam Block, and Caller ID. No hidden fees. No fine print. No free trial that secretly auto-bills you after 7 days. Just enable it and boom, you're protected. Is there a paid version? Yes. There's an optional premium version if you want more control. It costs around $4 per month and adds reverse number lookup. Find out who's behind unknown numbers. Spoiler, still not your crush. Block by category, like telemarketers, surveys, or political calls. Democracy is great, but not at dinner time. Voicemail to text. Read voicemails without listening. Personalized blocking. Block specific numbers or entire area codes. But honestly, for most people, the free version does a solid job. Do you need it? If you're tired of spam calls, it's definitely worth trying, especially since the basic protection is free. It doesn't slow down your phone, and it's easy to use right out of the box. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Final thoughts. So that's what T-Mobile Scam Shield is. A free call protection tool that helps you stay focused, avoid scams, and keep control over who can contact you. You can download it right now from the Play Store or App Store. Just search for T-Mobile Scam Shield. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.